never see so much hate, so little time to appreciate. See what it takes to go this far. I swear, homie, I'm up to par. These battle scars, I proved it. I'm ruthless, talk a few shit. No more cloudy days, heavy raining on me like gooey. I'm so sick, rolling with my team, got my whole clique. Me and King Blizz on the new shit. Pockets heavy deep, let's do this full spit. Ain't worried about shit, get off my dick. Like, hold up, wait, told you snitches, I'm about my cake.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Hope everybody's doing good. Welcome back to my channel, SkyLyfe Projects. I got the cameraman Rob here, owner of FAT, Forced Air Technologies, located in Phoenix, Arizona. And today, we're doing an unboxing of the HKS Legamax Catback Exhaust System for the Honda Civic Type R 2021. So Rob's gonna hold the camera here. Got the boxing knife, unboxing knife, excuse me, and we're gonna unbox this. Appreciate Rob holding the camera. You guys could please like, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted for future uploads like this. Check it out, y'all.
Sweet stuff.
Alright, so some packing materials in here. Okay. Wow. Pretty clear. Alright.
It's gonna flow so nice.
You got it, bro? So this exhaust is just as heavy as the OEM exhaust system. Obviously, it's a dual tip design as opposed to the triple tip that the factory comes with. So honestly, it's going to be obviously a little bit louder, but not too much louder, right, Rob?
Not,
Should be.
it'll have a good quality tone to it, for sure.
We got one more box, you got it?
Pretty just turned off.
Yeah, you're okay.
Oh, we're going.
Yep.
Okay,
Yep.
my bad.
I have it on still. I'll edit it out. Alright, let's check it out. Oh yeah. Look at these tips. Wow. Alright guys, look at these tips. We're gonna take these off when it's on the car, but there we go. That's the ending piece. There is no mid-pipe with this kit, but I will get that later on. I'm sure Rob will be installing that too, the downpipe. So, let me
Hold up, you can't do it like me, nah, do it like me, yeah, pull up, get off my case, you ain't on my pedigree. Pulled up, Djayy down, red carpet rolled out, royalties in my team, only things we talk about, money coming in faster than it's ever been, like Cali, all we do is win, posted in the valley, cash moves everything around me, like a money pool you see me drowning, system in the trunk, bump bitches like the way it be sounded, fill my cup up for the ones who ride with me.
And then we also have the Op 7 tail lights, which are clears. I showed you guys on the previous video the unboxing of that. And then we got the new edition, the PTP Inlet Turbo Blanket. Inlet Pipe Blanket. Looks like that. So that's going on the Type R today too. And then of course we have the oil catch can, which I showed you guys previously as well. So it's in there. Mishimoto, all things. And then, yeah, I think that'll do it.
Shit. Rico, the motherfucking truth. AKA, you love my style. And I'm back at it again with the homie Djayy Sky. You dig? Let go. Easy on the track. Hey yo, we do our own thing in a major way. Hey yo, we always ride around, but we stay in our lane. We hustle hard like it's nothing, man, no complaints. We get money like this all day. Hey yo, we do our own thing in a major way. Hey yo, we always ride around, but we stay in our lane. Hustle hard like it's nothing, man, no complaints. We get money like this all day. And yo, I ain't Snoop Dogg and the homie and Dr. Dre. No, it's Rico, the truth with Djayy Sky. We don't play, we stay low key, make moves in a major way. So when it come to what we're doing, they better get out the way. We do our own thing, ain't caring about what they say. We got this hustle in our blood, so we're grinding like every day. We're serving hot bars like waiters and serving trays. So any track that we're on, believe me, it's getting slayed. These rappers stressed out and hair is all turning gray. Yeah, we made our own lane and check it, we'll never sway. Got these rappers hanging on to everything that we say, and now we're killing Cali beats and ain't even from the Bay. If you hit me for a feature, you gotta pay what you weigh. Cause when it come to kicking bars, we do it like child's play. I'm really thugged out and be spitting and getting blazed. I said I'm really thugged out and be spitting and getting blazed. You dig? Our own thing in a major way. Yo, we always ride around, but we stay in.
Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I appreciate it. Much love and blessings. This is SkyLyfe Projects. We out.
Rise up, people rise up. Gotta get up and ballin'. Couple nights with the flow, all night sparking the glow. Tell them how we feel.